Hello you lovely people, Camping Dan 85 here and welcome back to a new adventure out for a camp in my local woods. So join me to see what I get up to. Right guys, just took a bit of a detour and have a look at this place. You might actually recognise it from a couple of my videos, but there is the treehouse. It's still here. But everything else is gone. I think I used to have a hammock here. Yeah, they've absolutely ripped the arse out of it. Absolutely devastated actually. You used to walk in this way. So cabins down there, the cabin might still be here. No sign of any of the paths we used to walk in. So I don't know if I could be able to find it. Yeah, absolutely devastated. I mean, it's still usable. Will I come back and have a final carrot and cheesecake party for the treehouse? Probably not. As you can see, I think. Put that down. Thanks, yeah. I've had a Christmas camp here with Potter. Yeah. Obviously in front of there. Never used to be out. And yeah. I really don't know what else to say. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they've come back and plant some trees and get this woodland back up and going. Like you say, all this is gone. Looks like they've only been cutting the pine down, I think, which is an absolute shame. But hopefully, replant it, give it a new lease of life, hopefully, and not just leave it. Right, guys, I'm not far from where I camped last weekend. What you can hear there is not the zombie apocalypse or World War II or World War III. It's just the sirens coming off the old British steel. If you live where I live, you're used to that sound. But yeah, I'm still there waiting to meet up with Bushman Smithy. He should be with us shortly anyway. He messaged me about 10 minutes ago just setting off, so he should be here very shortly. Right. That branch whacked me in the note sticking out the side of my head. Yeah, guys. Bushman Smithy sent me a drop, so I'm not far from where he is. So I'll bring you back when we get to camp. All set up at camp, and it is safe to say I have had a mare. So it wasn't until I got here, cut myself walking to a branch, but I've lost my chair. I have walked back, see if I could find it, but no sign. So hopefully I'll find it on my way home tomorrow. But yeah, tonight I have the OEX box 2. Just got a campfire up there. But my setup for tonight, we've got inside on my self-inflating mat with a built-in pump. There is my Decathlon fleece blanket, 2-season army sleeping bag. There is my cheap Tesco pillow with my fleece cover. Spare clothes, bags, cordon and stuff. See it, my bag's on the other side. Jacket's hanging up. Bushman Smithy's cooking us up a feast tonight. We're having bacon and potatoes. We just had a cheese and salami toasty. Yeah, looking forward to this grub tonight. Yeah, I am on top of an old bridge. And with a brickwork there. Yeah, that used to be a bridge. Just there was the arch, but that's long gone. Oh. Here's the man, the legend, the chef, Bushman Smithy. Bushman Smithy's just frying up the bacon ready for this soup. Really looking forward to it. It's going to be amazing. Guys, we've got Polish potato and bacon soup. Bushman Smithy has cooked us up a feast. First time he's ever cooked this, and I am a big lover of soup. Oh, that is beautiful. Spot on that, mate. This is perfect winter food, in it. Going to enjoy this. Right, what we've got here is ready-made Tesco's cookie dough, which I've baked over the fire in my NGT grill. Probably took about 10-15 minutes. Added a bit of squirty cream, just a tiny bit. Handful of mini marshmallows. Brilliant little quick and convenient campfire snack dessert. Also added Tesco own milk chocolate drops, and then to finish off I added choc orange. Highly recommend this for anyone. I mean, you could probably cook this in a frying pan maybe. It does say on the package not to be eaten raw, but I think that's because it's got eggs in it maybe. But just baked it in the grill. I mean, I'm more of a apple crumble, campfire crumble sort of guy, but yeah, first time I've ever used this cookie dough or had cookie dough camp, and I'll I'll admit it won't be the last time I use it. So yeah, me and Bushman Smithy just been and processed a bit of wood. We've got a cracking fire going here, nice and toasty warm. Not quite sure on the time, doesn't really matter, but we've been sat around catching up because it seems like we haven't been out for a camp together for ages. It's good to catch up with Smithy, top lad. Cooked us up a cracking Polish soup, absolutely divine, and I'm not going to lie, I'm going to be trying that at a few winter camps this year. We've had cheese toasties and we've had some cookie dough, so we've been well and truly fed. We've got a storm rolling in tomorrow, so there's going to be some wind, but we'll probably be up before that, have our breakfast. Right guys, 10 to 11, what a night. Yeah, really good catching up with Bushman Smithy, just chilling around the fire, catching up, having a good laugh. Back in my tent now. Gonna get my head down. Oh. Yeah, really good night. I'm gonna catch up with Bushman Smithy, having a laugh around the fire. But yeah, like I say, time to get my hair down. So, good night. God bless. Sausage and tatty scone. That's my second one. Bushman Smithy's on his first one.
Yeah, maybe the third one for you, eh? You never know.
He might be struggling to get the second one down.
Yeah.
I did offer him to have some cheese on it, but it looks like the cheese is coming home with me. So I'll have that for my lunch. When you enjoy this, and then I'm going to pack up.
Cheers, Dan.
Just there is where I had my tent. It's nice and dry. Right guys, all packed up. My rubbish is in my bag. Obviously that's where my tent was. So as always, leave no trace. Again, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel. What a camp. Just letting the fire die down now. Bushman Smithy was there. Definitely doesn't look the comfortablest spot.
It is quite comfortable, mate.
But thanks for Bushman Smithy for showing me this little spot. Cracking camp as always, mate.
No
and
problem.
that soup last night was banging.
Woo!
Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Look after yourself and peace.